I'm back in the disgusting world of Monster Train 2. It came out, and now it's out, and now we're here. Whoa. We could get special customizations for my trains? Guys, I can't wait to run train with you. Let's depart. Let's go. New run me. We did something, now let's do something else. No. Shifty Merchant doesn't like it when we play games. Well, I don't give a shit what you like, honestly. I just like the redeem Shifty Senti. Okay, let's do... We did Banished as our main as last time, so let's do Fireboard as our main. This is all we have. How do we unlock other guys? Defeat enemies using spells. That seems the most obvious we could get. We could get Luna Lovely. Luna Lovegood, not the porn star. We can get Luna Lovegood if we kill more people with spells. Let's kill people with spells.
Why don't you come see me?
Look at how small Shifty Merchant is there in the corner. Luna's Love Coven. I gotta unlock the Luna Love Custom. Okay. Oh, did we do Ascension 1? I don't remember. Who cares? Let's go. Give me an artifact. Manifold Mirror. The first room card played every battle is applied to all floors? That's crazy! But we don't have any rooms, but that's still crazy. When a friendly unit gains Valor, it gains stacks. Let's go Manifold Mirror, see if we can make it work. The current chat vibe is, one could confidently say that this horror turns me on. My own personal kind of fetish is for critters that crawl at sinister imaginings. What's the lore here? Why are there monsters on this train? Because they bought tickets! What do you mean why they're bought? They bought tickets! When he slays, he gains permanently. Or when you conjure, you gain an egg? Fuck it, let's do that. If they bought tickets, why are you fighting them? Okay, honey. You see the Shield Steward and Lord Phoenix? These are monsters. They're my friends. Okay? It just so happens that there are other people trying to get on the train who haven't bought tickets. And you gotta keep the rabble-rousers from mounting your rabble. They enter with Titan Skin 1. Fuck it, I'll do it. I'll do it. Make the money, make the fools. It's a mix of piss and vinegar, tough as nails. Man, Monster Train 2 is great. Guys, it just looks pretty. Conjure. Conjure. I mean, let's just put somebody everywhere for now. Then we'll get some Spearies. Let's go. End my turn. Have you been playing it yet, Poodle Skirt? Made a mistake? You can... Oh, we finally got the undo function. Deal damage equal to the use of attacks upon a Pyrogel. Okay. Let's, we can't kill you. Well, no, we do that. Twisted Firestarter. We're killing people with spells, remember? I think at this point we do you. We do you. We take no damage. And we got an egg. Dude, we're going to get so many eggs this time. This egg run. All your chatters are adorable. Do you think you have the most attractive chat? Mandy, as one of the top 5 hottest people in our chat.
Hey, AJ, why don't you come see me?
Won't you come see me? We love that new redeem, people. We love it. That's what Donald Trump would say, because he always says we love it. Do you guys remember that? Twisted Firestarter. Dude, we're going to unlock Luna Lovely so hard. Guys, if we could have Luna Lovely on the RatCousin stream, maybe I would be happy. Chime of Despair. We got to get rid of it. Let's put this little bitch back here. We need a little more damage done to our little thorny baddies. Hey, are there any thorny baddies? I do think I've got a pretty adorable chat though, Mandy, to not be a little jokester. You know what I mean? I think we got a pretty adorable chat. Give me a second egg first. Give me a second egg. I think people struggle to handle. Like, they're like, how could one chat room have so much good shit in terms of babes and boys? I mean, we also have a lot of really sad, ugly people, too. Flump Hamburger outing himself, going, have you seen me? I look like a balding, walking sack of tires. And you know what? I love that for him. Can we kill you with a spell? We can! Luna. But you know, that's the fundamental issue, Flump. Women are inherently prettier than men. Fight me. Even Bo and Yang can agree about that. Slay. Gain egg. Dude, we could be egging so hard. But the Pyre Gel seems great on a boss. Gain egg. Gain egg. Gain 2 egg. Fuck it. Golden touch me. Gain Valor on shift. Deal damage equal to enemy units equal to the attack of the front friendly unit. That's not bad. If you shift, take 30 damage, can be equipped on enemy units. But then when we use it, it goes away. I feel like there's a way to make the Penitent Blood Suit, like, pimp you out, but... If anything, I think it's Cleave right now. We don't really have... What are the loot levels? I mean, we want to get up to 8. We have the ability... We start with 2 eggs. Like, we've gotten 2 eggs in this fight. Like, we're good. I hope you gain egg in this trying time. What is that from? Dr. Eggman? DrEggman.com? Is that what it is? Where are we going? Get a Pyre Board unit and forge our spells. I kind of want to forge spells, but I also kind of want to forge units. Let's forge spells. Fuck it. Let's have fun. Okay, okay. If you extinguish, you get an egg. You're a little sweepy-deepy. Well, let's go Guildmonger. Fuck it. Spell chain. You could just double dipple. Permanently remove consume. Do we have something that has consume? Did I take one? I know I could have. I should have remembered. I could probably make that big cask that applies fire gel. Could we do like a fire starter gains consume? Could you then put Eternal Stone on it? So this is just a 21 damage spell. And then we could dupey it, just have that over and over. I mean, it might not be great, but low-key not bad shit. Might not be bad shit. I'm staying there for now. We're saving money. We're saving money. I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm supposed to do or not. Don't hate me. At the start of battle, enemy units appear? Sure. Kill me. Cats are very replayable, says Mechanical Niece. You can throw them from a 3rd-story window, and they land fine. Yeah, how many endings do they have? Right? So true. So true. Okay, we just want him to die once. They have 9 endings? I've only unlocked a few. I haven't unlocked enough endings. You ever have, like, a pimple in the nose area of your crease area of your nose, and then you're like, what am I doing? You ever do that? So these are guys gonna get up. We're just gonna take damage. But you know what? Who gives a shit? Twisted Firestarter. Fuck it. Just take... I'll take damage. I'm gonna take 9 damage. Who gives a shit? I love my cats. Let's not joke about hurting cats anymore, guys. Last time I joked about kicking cats, I got timed out in the chat room. Can't make those jokes anymore. I'm like, oh, damn, I got this pimple under my skin. Dude, we're pogged out. You died? I should have put you behind the shield, man. Bad plays. Well, I haven't used his spell yet. I forgot all about it. I'm too busy talking to chat. I'm playing terribly. We could have gotten more. We could have gotten more eggs. No, I could play that better. Pay attention to the game, man. Pay attention to the goddamn game, RatCousin. There we go. Stop fucking around. Stop worrying about numbers. Start worrying about life. Okay, we want him to die, so we'll get an egg. We gained 2 eggs. I could have gained more eggs. I could have gained another goddamn egg. I'm the one who made the mistakes here. This is all because of me. I've made the fool of myself. Okay, you're gaining health this time, you fucking jerk? Not anymore. I'm not too worried if he gets through either. It's be better if he didn't, of course. But you know, shit happens. He only needs to be hit once and then we'll get through. Okay, we took some damage. That, you know what, misplays, come and meet Mr. Plays. This is a marriage of convenience. It happens. We need to take advantage of our manifold mirrors. Let's get a sacrificial chamber up there. We could give quick to our buddies. Advance and apply melee weakness 1 with a challenge. Let's get an upbeat warbler. Hey. The ones Luca Hartman hates are the pimples in the corner of your mouth. I don't really get those often, which makes me glad. 1 of 3 artifacts? No, we're going to get... Wait, I clicked it. I shouldn't have done it. Oh, whatever. We got an artifact. I was going to wait. Ah! Shale shell. That's good, actually. We wanted that. It helps. Don't listen to me. God damn it, don't listen to me. Regain some health. Get a unit. Let's go to here. Let's check the celestial alcove, y'all. What are we doing? Oh, I see clouds. A cluster of 3 large crystals containing entropy strange powers. You get big upgrades. Upgrade a spell to gain triple stack. The fuck is triple stack? So there's different spell upgrades we could take. I mean, maybe it's a triple count? I don't know. Permanently gain 5 magic power when you keep it in your hand is probably good. -4. Spells in your deck cost more. And you can't purge it. But I could probably get rid of it, right? Let's do a triple stack. I want to see what happens. What is triple stack? You still won't tell me. Oh, it does triple stacks of the shit. That's awesome. We're taking that. So, triple stack takes any debuff and it triples it. Or debuff or buff. Anything that you could stack. Now, can we remove that card we got? The Blight, can we remove it? I don't see it. Will I fuck myself having taken this blight? We're gonna have to see. Okay. Let's upgrade our sacrificial chamber for now. And Soul Smelter? Reroll me. Let's see if there's a better equipment. Oh, I like the idea of Enchanted Chamber. Ah! Equalizing Rings. Let's take Everlasting Light. Fuck it. We'll see what happens. Why are the NPCs and cats in this? It isn't Neon White. Let me tell you guys, I don't think Neon White owns cats. Cats are a true part of life. They're all over. Okay, we got triple sacrificial Font Man. We got boys on every floor. Oh, why'd I put you on the... Whatever, who cares? Let's go. Last stop. I wanted him on the bottom. But it's okay, it's okay. Things happen. Cleave me. Get some death going on. I don't know. Start valorizing this young man while we play our monster cards. This is like a better Bazaar. It's not multiplayer either. Snakes loves Monster Train. Oh, so you just have to play it. Okay, that's how you get away from it. That's how you get away from it. I see. Let's use your Phoenix Fire.
Shut the fuck up, Snake!
There we go. I don't know yet, but I love that thing that it plays the saxophone. Not sure if I should have given it the weapon or made it quick or I don't know. I love when he plays the saxophone, though. Did Lil PDF send you the podcast you made? No. I don't know if I want to hear that. Was it good? More like hole opening music. Because I want to slam. Right, guys? Anybody listening to me? More like hole opening music? Is anybody listening to me? Is this hole opening music? Okay, what are we doing? What are we doing? You're taking damage. Gotta play you. Ooh, we got to. Oh my gosh. Things aren't looking good for RatCousin right now. My monster train is getting trained on. I'm getting trained on, dude. You didn't even say hi to me? Kind of fucked up? Okay, bitch. What's up? What's up, girl? Leave me. It's a little bit of help, but everybody's dead. Oh my god, RatCousin's blowing it. He's not saying hi to Chocovania. He's getting smashed on his little monster trains. How do holes open? Everyone wants to know how holes open. It's the final wave. Oh, he's gonna do D. Unless I put this mother here. Golden touch me. This is a lot of damage coming in, dude. A lot of damage coming in. With Mr. Squeemeth, the stupid behemoth. I'm just trying to do shit with spells. TBH, making me look stupid. We're not dead. But we're not in a great place. I didn't learn anything from Train. So true. How much damage are we going to take, guys? Aye, 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 RatCousin! I was so focused on getting Luna that I've kind of not gotten anything I want yet. We got this, we got this. Blood-soaked Rita, Spike of the Damned. Apply 3x Valor. Consume. Add damage 2 shield to friendly units and consume it. We need something that takes advantage of our eggs. That's what we need. The earbuds go in the holes. Am I dumb? Grinning Demon redeemed, I'll degrade you? Sorry, I don't pay attention to losers like Grinning Demon. Oh, you spent pizza points for me to pay attention to you? Pathetic. Next time you piss, jack off first. So you can flush down more of your pointless genetic code. Got him. Next time you piss. Let's throw a Firebrand in the mix. Extra Manter? Yeah, we're taking some extra Manter. Save or loot? What do we get at 4 again? 25 gold and a minor pirate bar. I need an artifact. I'm looting again. I need a fucking artifact. Dragons and Whelps gain 8 damage. When you equip a friendly unit, apply Conduit. I like that. Let's go. Next time, you piss. We unlock the Luna Coven!
Tapa accompli.
She's like a moth. Beautiful babe. What a babe. I need health again. Sorry, not sorry. An equipment or a room card. Ooh, when you slay, it gains equipment and power. Reduce cooldown by 1? Actually, I like that. Put that on our dragon. Okay. Plus 10 magic power. Let's do that on a fucking Golden Touch. We just need a bunch of artifacts. And let's give it Spell Chain. So we can just kill things with it almost every turn. Let's go. That's my style. Upgrade my thing. Kari the Moth is back? What happened to Carly the Moth? I don't need the money. We need to give more Pyrogel. Golden Touch me. Hey, are all my Golden Touchers in chat? I have enough money, I'm not risking Titan Skin for. What's happened to the graphic novel recently? Well, do command ! graphic novel, Grinning Demon, and you could see. You could see all the fabulous things. Wait, did the command not work? What did I do wrong? Oh, the bot stopped running, and I don't know why. Try it again, Grinning Demon. I'm sorry. Something must have happened. Try it one more time. I fucked the bot. Okay, we need to get these crystals out quickly styled. We need to kill you. Well, no, we could do this. The Firestar will do enough damage. And just start fire starting. Twisted fire starting. Let's go. Golden Touch is when you piss and vomit yourself. You ever jerk off after you piss and it smells and you're like, It's like a little wet under your foreskin, but not like a creamy, sticky mucus wet. You guys ever... Okay, how exactly does this work? Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. Big damage on the squeamish, dude. Let's give you a little bit of that Valerismo, dude. That's how we do it. Yeah, I didn't need the money siphoning from him because we got special money. 10 gold whenever a unit dies? I mean, get out of here. Mind Cage. Oh, I realized I wanted you to have Mind Cage. Fuck it. Did we get more conduit? Oh my god, the conduit's fucking permanent. Fuck yes. Kill you. 29 damage. And Pyrogel 6. Permy on the Squirmus. Holy cow. My mind chastity cage is going crazy. Jennifer Chastain. Is that what her name is? Okay. Are you going to die? 15 damage and I gain Spell Chain. Comes back in my hand and I can play it again if need be. That might not be the ticket. You need to take 20 more damage. So we could do 15. We do that. Oh, we could just do it twice. Gain an egg. Daddy, gain an egg! Oh, we could use our ability more. Too much going on. Too much going on. My brain isn't working. My brain wasn't working. It's okay. We got this. You're almost dead. Twisted Fire Starter. I mean, we gotta get you out. Just kill him. Just kill. Just kill. Just kill. Just kill. And then throw this guy here for now. Okay, okay, we got it. We got it. We got it. Ladies and behemoths. Ladies and tinklemen. I'm gonna get my Monster Train brain on. More like Monster Brain. Guys, did you guys know when I said Monster Brain? Did you guys hear when I said Monster Brain? And I killed all those guys? Okay, he's not gonna die. But hopefully we're gonna be in a good place. I feel almost capable. Yeah, he's taking a lot of damage this turn. You go ahead and you die. There you go. Mr. Fireismo. Cast the spells. Go down to hells. I heard when you said eugenics are underrated. Come on, mechanical niece. If anything, they're overrated. Like, who fucking cares if your kid has cool powers? Yes, we've eliminated all the potential brain diseases and mental deficiencies.
Hey, AJ, why don't you come see me?
And then the kid comes out like that. The kid comes out like Shifty Merchant. Like, it's never going to be worth it. 20 damage to all units. Could be good. Sure. Fuck it. Lead Songbird to give more valor on a revenge man. I like Be Gone, but let's take Lead Songbird. Dude, let's get another thing. Let's just keep getting fucking things. On your first turn, you get more money. Or, I mean, more energy. Spells gain +3 damage for each upgrade. Sure. Sure, more damage on spells. That's how Daddy plays. Okay, now I don't need health. I kind of want to go to the... I want to buy more artifacts, but I also want to forge my spells. Ugh. Yeah, I want to duplicate cards too. Okay, we're going to the right. So we want to duplicate our good spell that has the triple stacker. Let's see what this is first. I crossed a mound of wings. Mound. The wings look as if they've been clipped as a punishment. Poor thing. Do you take a patch? As you approach, you catch a glimmer of something shiny deep in the pile, but digging through it could risk the collapse of an entire mound. Do we take the wings? We get discarded wings, which I guess is an equipment? Or search deeper, we could find uncommon wings or collapse. Search deeper. Whoa. Oh, no, I bet it's an upgrade. Okay, discard my wings. And put it on our main fighting unit is Firebrand. It gives them flight. Oh, you could just move wherever you want. Intriguing. Your room smells like burning cigarettes. Is Grinning Demon okay? Is everybody okay in chat today? Something cost less. Okay, I could probably make... I want to make Golden Touch cost less, but I can't. Okay, what do we want? What do we want? What do we want? Because we could start getting spell power. It just hold something over again. It will have +6 damage. We'll have spell power. I think we get a free fire starter that we could just keep playing all the time. I think that's important. And then we duplicate. The one we duplicate is going to be... I mean, the triple stacker, right? We gotta take that shit. It's too beautiful. Have you fought is so weird and dismissive. A KP Senti classic. Very true. I feel like I don't need to gain money. We're gaining money so much that it's like, why make the game harder? Lord Phoenix. The Sacrificial Chamber. The Guild Mongus. They call me Guildmongus. Guildmonger. He mongs guilds, okay? He has a stall next to the fishmonger and the warmonger. Or else you know what I've always said about your mom? That she's a dongmonger. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, we just get it next turn. Always free. Nice. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Your mom's a dongmonger. And that's what I thought. She mongs dongs by the seashore. His mom mongs dongs at the seashore. Say that 15 times fast. Okay? Say his mom dongs moms at the seashore 15 times fast. I bet you can't. His mom dongs moms at the seashore. Okay. What the hell? Why would my piano keys move? I mean, sometimes I don't understand anything, guys. Maybe his mom does dong moms. Maybe his mom does dong Moodang. Maybe Moodang does dong mongs at the seashore. Maybe Moodang dongs mongs. Moodang's mom dongs at the... Maybe Hear me out one more time. Maybe Moo Dang Mongs Dongs at the seashore. Hear me out one more time. Your mom mongs dongs at the seashore. Your mom mongs dongs at the seashore. Your mom mongs those 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 dongs at the seashore. Seashore mongs dongs moo dang. Guys, we got our new theater. We got our new theater, our new theater warm-up song. Very important. Very important. Our new theater warm-up song. Your mom mongs dongs at the. Your mom mongs long dongs by Moo Dang's strong bond. Say that 15 times. Say that shit 15 times, and maybe I'll respect you. I'm starting to think I'm not going to respect you. Les chaussettes de l'Archduchesse sont sèches, archi-sèches. I do know that
Your
one.
Your Mom Mongs Long Dongs by Moo Dang's Strong Bond. Your Mom Mongs Long Dongs by Moo Dang's Strong Bond. Your Mom Mongs Long Dongs by Moo Dang's Strong Bond. Your mom mongs long dongs by Moo Dang's strong bond. Your mom mongs long dongs by Moo Dang's strong bond. Your mom mongs long dongs by Moo Dang's strong bond. Your mom mongs long dongs by Moo Dang's strong bond. Your mom mongs long dongs by Moo Dang's strong bond. Your mom mongs long dongs by Moo Dang's strong bond. Your mom mongs long dongs by Moo Dang's strong bond. Your mom mongs long dongs by Moo Dang's strong bond. Your mom mongs long dongs by Moo Dang's strong bond. Your mom mongs long dongs by Moo Dang's strong bond.
Your mom I'm butt-mogging my mom right now. Somebody find me the chick from the butt-mogging image. She's a babe. The one who's ass-monging in public. Now that's a babe. Now that, babe, that's a babe. Let us pray. Let us pray. Let us pray. Let us pray. I'm ass-mongering. Les eugénistes sont-ils pisse? Est-ce qu'ils pissent les eugénistes? Let us pray. I realize I don't have any place for my upbeat Winkler or the other bird in the way I've built things. Oh well. Let's make sure we get some Killy Chans in. Yo, you could move up top. You could fly to every floor. That's pretty good. Her wings are pretty good, dude. She can fly to every floor. Like, Bay caught me flying to every floor. Gotta get this shit out, of course. 25 damage. That doesn't kill you, but... Does it kill you now? No. Ah, but that does. Let's make sure you gain quick. So at least we could get a little more damage in. Bitch, she's pretty. Man, the saxophone, best part of this game. Best part of this game is the fucking saxophone. Okay, buff you as much as possible. Let's go. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. Instrument of the Undergod. Do we win? Do we win? We don't quite win, but we're very close. Just a few more spells, and I bet we will. 319, 320. Give me one more, Dad. 296, 295. Come on. Put him in the back. It's because of these saps, right? Why does he... Oh, when this unit is killed, it will be revived with 1 and lose 1 stack of reanimate. God damn it. We can't kill it, no matter what. It's a reanimator. How many stacks of reanimate does this bitch have? So many stacks of reanimate? Okay. And it defeated me! This is a true shame. This is a true shame. This was a true shame. I should not have lost. I should not have lost. Death Roar unlocked. Golden Gloves. Mechanical Niece, I'm a disappointment. At least we're close to the Luna Coven. Or at least we got it. Whoa. Hey, you win some, you lose some. But that's what happens when you monster train all day. Let's win this time. Because we're not going to be farming for something I wasn't built for.